Alright guys, so this is the lesson 3 video for chapter 6. You're still going to have the update links file that you used in lesson 2 open, and you're just going to go to your pages panel, open up the 2 to 3 thing. I'm going to push command 0 just so it fits in my screen a little bit better. Alright, so we're going to double click dusk and then compare our screen. So I'm going to go over here and I'm going to double click dusk, which is going to be, let me zoom out. Oop, I zoomed too far. Okay, so wherever you placed this picture right here, this is dusk. And you can just make sure it's dusk because like whenever you select it, it's right there. Okay, we're going to double click. It will let us. We're trying to get our info panel to pop up. Alright, yours may pop up while double clicking, mine's not. So when I have dusk selected, which is this picture right here, I'm going to go up here to window and open info. And what that's going to do is it's going to open up this window, just generic information about it. And it's going to give me my resolution information. So my resolution information right here is actuals. It's 150 by 336. So we're just kind of looking at that right there. Now if I look at the Cornigula one, so that would be this big picture. You see that it's going to have a little bit different resolution there. Alright, so with that one's open, it's going to say that the image is 150 ppi and that the effective ppi is 144 or 146. So that's really low for quality printing. What we're going to do is we're going to click the Edit Original button at the bottom of the Links panel. So if you don't have your Links panel open, you just click on your Links panel, and it's going to be this Edit Original right here. Alright, and so what you're doing is your picture's going to open up in preview right here. And it's wanting us to go and open this in Photoshop, so I have to change a few things first. So when we open that up, we're going to go. I'm sorry. Alright, so when you have that picture selected, what you're going to do, instead of clicking this Edit With, because it's going to by default open up with preview, you're going to right click on it and go to Edit With, and you're going to go to Adobe Photoshop. And so that file is going to open up in Photoshop. And it might take it a little bit to open up. I'm going to make my screen smaller so you can see the whole thing in my little window here. Okay. So once we do that, we're going to click on Image on your menu bar, and we're going to go down to Image Size. And then our resolution right here, it says 150. We're going to look at the Resample Image option at the bottom of the dialog box right here, and make sure, so note that the resample option at the bottom box is checked. Okay, and we're going to verify that the resample image checkbox is checked, so it is, yes. I don't know why they did that. We're going to type 300 in our resolution, so we're going to change the resolution from 150 to 300. That's just doubling it right there, and then we're going to press OK, and then we're going to go to File, Save. Okay, File, Save. And then we can go back to InDesign, and I'm just going to click on InDesign down here on my screen down here. Okay, I'm going to move that back up there so you can see my whole screen. Alright, so now I'm back on InDesign, and if I click right here on the Cornigula file, you can look, and it says my actual PPI is now 300. So that does make it back bigger. Okay, and the effective PPI is 293, so that's close enough to 300 to be a lot more acceptable. And this is literally all you do on this file. So what I want on this one is I want this screenshot with Cornugula, and I want to be able to see right here in your actual PPI and your effective PPI that it says 300 and 293. And that's what you turn in for this assignment.